Have you ever heard of a Mad Love burger at Red Robin? Well, it's tasty, and I thought I'd take that concept and turn it into a meatloaf. Let's give this a try. Grab a bowl and a box of stuffing mix. I'm gonna fill that stuffing about halfway with milk. I learned about this way of making meatloaf from my friend Mo, who's known for her special meatloaf. You just set this to the side. Now we're gonna work on the meatloaf part. Grab another bowl. I need 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of minced onion, a shake of Parmesan cheese. Give that a quick mix. The milk should be all absorbed, so let's add that stuffing. Now it's time to mix it all together with those hands. I'm starting with half of that meat, and we need to put a little trench inside of that. We're going to add some Swiss cheese in there, some cooked bacon, some sharp white cheddar, some sweet jalapeno relish. That'll be nice. And some pepper jack cheese. Yeah! And then we're going to be putting the rest of that beef on the top. All right, now it's time to bake it. 375, maybe 50 to 55 minutes until cooked. Mad Love Meatloaf. I'm having it with a little bacon jam. Those flavors are incredible. I'm digging this meatloaf. I'm gonna give it an 8.3 out of 10. My friend just quit his job at the door factory. He just couldn't get a handle on it.